Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your controller not working in World of Tanks Heat on PC. We've got a couple of solutions to try, so let's go through them one by one until we find the fix that works for you. Let's get into it. Solution 1. Enable or disable Steam input. The first thing we're going to try is adjusting the Steam input settings specifically for World of Tanks Heat. First, open Steam and head to your library. Find World of Tanks Heat in your list of games, right-click on it, and select Properties from the context menu. On the left side of the Properties window, click on the Controller tab. Here you'll see a drop-down menu that says Override for World of Tanks Heat. Click on it and select Enable Steam Input. Now go ahead and launch the game and test your controller to see if it's working. If that didn't fix the problem, go back to the same drop-down menu, Override for World of Tanks Heat, and this time select Disable Steam Input. Then launch the game again and check if your controller works. Sometimes disabling it is actually what does the trick, depending on your setup. Solution 2. Adjust controller settings in Steam. If Solution 1 didn't work, let's take a look at the global controller settings inside Steam. Open Steam and click on Settings in the top left corner. Navigate to the controller section. Click on Show Advanced Settings to expand your controller options. Now look for External Gamepad Settings. This is where you can fine-tune which type of controller Steam recognizes. Here's what to do depending on the controller you use. If you use an Xbox controller, look for Steam Input for Xbox controllers and try enabling it. If that doesn't help, try disabling it and test the game again. If you use a PlayStation controller, find PlayStation controller support and first try setting it to not enabled. If that doesn't work, switch it to Enable in games without support and see if that makes a difference. If you use a Switch controller or a generic controller, you'll find similar toggle options for those as well. Try enabling and disabling them the same way to find what works best for your setup. Additionally, if you're using an Xbox controller, you can also try installing the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver, which can help Steam better recognize and communicate with your Gamepad. You'll find a link to it in the description of this video. And those are the solutions for fixing your controller not working in World of Tanks Heat on PC. Hopefully one of those steps got your Gamepad up and running. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more gaming fix tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know which solution worked for you, and I'll see you in the next one.